Thank you for the time. Actually, I would like to thank our ma'am for. I should say that I have learned lots today because when it comes to this kind of school teaching and all this, I'm very beginner. I should say that I don't have much knowledge about it. But today, this is my first time joining the webinar, and then I have learned lots from you, and not only you, but to our both ma'am. You have been learning, you have been teaching in the school, and then through your experiences, through your the thoughts that you have shared, I have learned lots. And due to some due to some problem, a network problem, I am not able to. My network is buffering like anything, so I'm not able to join it properly. So I'm really sorry for that. And also, I'm looking forward that in the next webinar also, I believe that I'm going to learn a lot from all of you. Thank you so much.